Two giants in marketing automation, Brevo and Drip, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Brevo, the all-in-one automation powerhouse. On the right, Drip, the specialist in e-commerce, email, and SMS. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and in the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. First things first, here's our mind map for today. We'll be comparing them on all the real stuff: pricing, automation, email builder and customization, segmentation, analytics and reporting, integrations, e-commerce friendliness, and, of course, customer support. So yeah, we're not skipping anything. Let's kick off with pricing. So with Brevo, they've got a free plan. That's always a sweet little perk for trying stuff out, right? Their pricing's super upfront and predictable, and multi-user access is available pretty early on. But here's where things get a bit dicey. If you want premium features, the cost can shoot up fast, especially if your business is growing quickly. Those numbers climb steep. Now, switching to Drip, starting at $39 a month for up to 2,500 contacts is nice and budget-friendly if your list isn't huge. No ongoing free plan, sadly, but hey, there's at least a free trial. Still, as you expand, that price curve, it really rises. Between the two, Drip gives you a just enough for most offer for smaller lists. But Brevo's free plan definitely has its charm if you don't need all the paid bells and whistles. Verdict here, Drip edges it out for value. All right, on to automation. And honestly, this is where Brevo starts flexing its muscles a bit. Their visual journey builder is super powerful. Triggers galore, plus API and webhook magic if you're techie. Also, we're not just stuck with email. Brevo lets you automate SMS, WhatsApp, even notifications. The flip side, beginners might be like, whoa, too much. So yeah, setup can feel a tad intimidating. Now, Drip, their workflow builder, is way more approachable. Especially for e-commerce, you just drag, drop, and let it handle abandoned carts or repeat customer flows. But there are definitely fewer triggers, and deep integrations like webhooks not happening here. For sheer firepower, Brevo takes the win. Now, let's talk about email builders and customization. Brevo's got a seriously slick drag-and-drop HTML editor, loads of templates, and so many ways to tweak your emails that design nerds are gonna love it. That said, the interface can get a little overwhelming for newbies. Like, where do I click first? Drip, on the other hand, keeps it more middle of the road. Their visual and HTML editor get the job done. Fine for basic or moderate customization. But if you're after gorgeous, pre-made templates, or want to go wild on branding, Drip feels a bit, well, limited. Brevo absolutely takes the cake here. Oh, and here's something cool before we wrap up. Brevo, which some of you might remember as Send in Blue, is sending billions of emails worldwide. Meanwhile, Drip, it's powering over 30,000 e-commerce brands globally. That's kind of wild, right? Segmentation is next, and this is where Drip gets to shine. So Brevo covers the basics with list-based options. Filter by behavior, demographics, you name it. But it's a little rigid compared to tag-based systems. Enter Drip. You've got tag-based segmentation, so you can get super granular. Segment by how people shop, what they click, even weird little behavior quirks. Drip just makes it way easier to laser target those emails. So, segmentation round, Drip's got the upper hand. Analytics and reporting, yeah, the stuff that tells you if you're actually crushing it. Brevo's comprehensive reporting goes deep with contact-level stats. And if you're up for some manual setup, you can get some pretty advanced metrics happening. Some of those setups take extra elbow grease, though. Over in Drip's camp, their real-time dashboard is a huge plus, and strong report export and customization make it easy to dig into your numbers. But they don't go quite as deep as some top-tier platforms when it comes to niche metrics. So honestly, both are really solid here. Call it a tie. Integrations are up, and this is honestly a fun one for the nerds out there. Brevo. First, it's hooked up with 58 plus integrations, covering all the main business tools. And their API is actually pretty robust. You'll be happy if you like doing some custom stuff, all right. But then there's Drip, flexing with over 217 integrations. Yeah, really. You've got e-commerce, CRM, marketing, web tools, just about anything. It's a packed marketplace, seriously. So Drip walks away with this round, hands down. If you're running an online store, listen up. This is the big one. Brevo does transactional emails, SMS, and some product blocks, so you're not left out. It'll get the basics done. But the real e-commerce mastery is over at Drip, built for online stores. Shopify, WooCommerce, all the usual suspects. With abandoned cart flows, purchase tagging, repeat customer automations, the works. If e-commerce is your world, Drip is totally in its element here. So yeah, Drip takes it. Customer support, because nobody wants to be left hanging when things break. Brevo's got your back with email, chat, even phone support. If you're on higher tiers, it's 24/7. Plus, their help docs are actually helpful. Drip does email, chat, and phone based on your plan, with in-app support if you're paying, but live and phone support isn't for every tier, so just keep that in mind. Brevo honestly pulls ahead for all access support. Seeing everything side by side on a radar chart, it's pretty clear. Drip is tailor-made for e-commerce. Tons of integrations, killer segmentation, and shopping-focused workflows. Brevo, though, flexes hard on multi-channel automation, email design, and support. Both pile on strengths, just in different places. So, how do you choose? If you want a full-suite marketing powerhouse, emails, SMS, WhatsApp, you name it, Brevo is where it's at. But if you're laser-focused on e-commerce and want the easiest, most powerful email and SMS automations, yeah, Drip's your jam. They're both strong players. So really, it's about what your business needs more. Found this comparison helpful? Stick around, hit subscribe, or follow, whichever button works, because we've got more deep dives coming soon. Seriously, you don't want to miss